Good morning, sixth grade. So this video is for Tuesday, April 21st. Yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt because it is currently Sunday night and I did both videos in the same night. Um, and yes, I did feel the need to say that. So I'm gonna quickly go over the schedule for today, sharing my screen. Remember oh, I closed it before. Okay, anyway, so remember you go into folders, you click the schedule. Again, I'm going to only post it for Monday. For you guys to have seen it, it'll be in the post as well as it's in the folders. So we're still talking about the atmosphere and how it affects Earth and protects it. So today you're going to watch the instructional video that I am doing right now. You're going to watch a video on Pearson, and then you're going to do the interactive activity on Pearson. Monday and Tuesday are the only 2 days that you have assignments on Pearson. The rest of the week, your stuff is going to be on Edmodo, and it should be super easy. I'm sure you guys did notice already that it doesn't say quizzes on here for Zoom, but I'm sure you guys are going to convince me to find something and do something. I just didn't have any Crash Course Kids videos for this week. But, oh, I didn't. Oh, no, there wasn't an extra video for today. Okay, so I'm sure we'll do quizzes anyway, because I know you guys enjoy doing it. So actually, you know what I did not do was open my PowerPoint for today, so I'm not actually ready for it. Okay, so it is currently opening. Oh, that was quick. I know, I'm sure you guys probably just think I'm totally nuts. That's okay. Or you're not thinking, you're just like, yep, that's my teacher. She's crazy. Okay, as I'm literally talking to myself, pretending I'm talking to you. All right, so this is on the greenhouse effect. This is actually in your book, but I didn't take all the information from your book. I actually took some of the information from this website. I actually took most of the information from this website, and I put the website here because I took the pictures and the words, and so it wasn't straight up plagiarism. I showed you guys that I just put this here, but I didn't change any of the words because the information was actually really good information. I did use some of the information from your book for this PowerPoint too, but it was only like one page, and I really like the information from the NASA website about the greenhouse effect. Okay, so what is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. So without our atmosphere, Earth would not be livable. It would probably either, there's a possibility it would be too hot like Venus, because Venus is really hot, but then there's the other possibility that would be way too cold like Mars. But Mars is quite a bit further away from the sun, and it is quite a bit smaller than Earth. Maybe I'll post the Crash Course Kids videos about the planets, since you guys were harassing me about the planets. Maybe we'll do those ones this week. Okay. But I don't really want you guys to get sidetracked because like I'm doing right now. I want you guys to make sure you're focused on what we're doing. Okay, so how does the greenhouse effect work? This picture reminds me of Frosty the Snowman when Frosty brought the little girl into the greenhouse that was in the middle of the North Pole so she would warm up and not freeze, and then he melted. Anyways, moving on. As you might expect from the name, the greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and a glass roof. Greenhouses are used to grow plants such as tomatoes and tropical flowers. The greenhouse stays warm inside even during the winter. The daytime sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and the inside air. At nighttime, it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. That's because of the glass walls of the greenhouse trap the sun's light heat. Wow, moving too fast through that. Okay. How does the greenhouse effect work? So the greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, trap heat just like the glass roof of the greenhouse. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warms up in the sunlight, and at night, Earth's surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. That's what keeps Earth warm, a warm, cozy 58 degrees Fahrenheit on average. So I know you guys are probably thinking that's not what it is here, but like it said, as on average, so they're taking all of the temperatures throughout the world, throughout the and throughout the seasons, and the world's temperature averages 58 degrees, which is not typical for Florida, but there you go. So it's just showing you like that the atmosphere is protecting the Earth. It surrounds the Earth, and then it makes certain things bounce off. So Earth's natural greenhouse effects. Overall, Earth's atmosphere keeps our planet at a temperature that is adequate to support life. Organisms are adapted to specific ranges of temperature. Surface features such as sea level and the amount of trapped ice have been relatively constant for thousands of years. However, changes in the composition of the atmosphere can result in changes in the temperature. Those gases that absorb the infrared energy radiated from Earth's surface. So this part was from your book. This information is kind of in your book, but this is the information from the website. So how are humans impacting the greenhouse effect? Human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. Burning fossil fuels like coal and oil puts more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. NASA has observed increases in the amounts of carbon dioxide and some other greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Too much of these greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat. This causes Earth to warm up. And the end. Okay, so this is the end of my Tuesday instructional video. Again, I'll see you guys on Zoom at 11 o'clock. And tomorrow, April 22nd is Earth Day. So we're doing an Earth Day assignment. So I kind of felt that it was suiting, being that it's the day, it's Earth Day, and we're doing Earth science. So we have to protect our Earth. And you guys just did that National Geographic thing. Well, not just, that was a while ago. But anyways, all right, I'll see you guys on Zoom. Bye.